Hi, this is Steve. I just got a package in the mail from Amazon. First of all, this part was still sealed. The rest of this was not. It was just like this. Except for this part right here was still kind of stuck down. So I pop it open with no trouble whatsoever, and I have the air fresheners, and I have the game system, and look what else I don't have. Na 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 na. Look at this. Zero protection at all. Look at this. See, I turn the box upside down. I shake it. Look, nothing came out, not even a tag. Look at this. It wasn't even properly sealed. Well, I guess it's a good thing because it didn't all come in a brown envelope. Nope. Instead, it spent its whole time rolling around in the back of the truck until the box to the game got damaged. Oh my God. I can't. Look at my face. I can't do this anymore, guys. I would have rather it came in a brown envelope at that point. At least that's got bubble wrap. At least that's partially bubble wrap. Later.